Don't forget to dim your headlights and enjoy the show.
How is the snowman?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my actual pay from working 40 hours from Amazon Flex. As you know, this is not my full-time job. I also have not worked as much as I could have and what most people work. A lot of people work way more than I do. Since I'm supposed to be relaxing on vacation from my primary job, I only took a few shifts per week. In this video, I'm going to show you my pay and I'm also going to show you my expenses for my car as well. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, let's start on November 30th, since November 30th was actually a part of my first check in December. So November 30th, I worked 3 hours, and December 1st, I worked 2.5 hours. So then December the 4th, I worked 3 hours, and December the 5th, I worked 3 hours as well. Looking at December the 10th, I worked 2 hours, but then they gave me an adjustment for something that happened at the hub and they didn't really pay me, so I had to email support and they gave me the money for that. So going over to December the 15th, I worked 3 hours, and December 16th, I worked 3 hours as well. December the 17th, I worked 3.5 hours. December 18th, I worked 3 hours. December 19th, I worked 3 hours as well. Then going to December the 27th, I worked 3 hours, and December 26th, I worked 2 hours. And then December the 29th, I had 3 hours, and December the 30th, I worked 3 hours. Alright guys, so as you can see, that's a total of 40 hours. So let's go ahead and add everything up. So going to the first deposit, it was $199. The next deposit was $213. Then $184, $226.50, $375.50, $171, and $228. So the total came out to be $1,597 even that was deposited into my account, and I think that's pretty good considering I only worked a few hours a couple of times a week, and it's pretty much just a part-time job where you can decide every day when you want to work, if you want to go to work at all, and how much you get paid for working. So now that you've seen how much I've actually gotten paid, let's take a look at the expenses. Now for the expenses, my expenses are not the same every single month. And this particular time, I chose to do a couple extra things that I don't normally do for my expenses on a monthly basis. And we'll go over that in just a moment. So the first expense that I had was an oil change. I chose to get my oil changed at this new spot. It was $63. Normally it's like $45, but this time it was $63. I also chose to get my tires balanced and rotated, which I didn't really need to do, but I went on and did it anyway since it was towards the end of the year, and that was only $45. I had gas, so it was $30 to fill up every time I fill up, and I chose to fill up about 2 times. That's because I was doing a lot more traveling, not just for work, but for other things since I was on vacation. So I did $30 to fill up twice a week. And then after that, I had 0 car payment because obviously Amazon paid off my card by doing this side gig work. So my total expenses and what my total check was came out to be $1,249. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you all have any other questions, please leave them down below. If you want me to make a video about something, please leave it below. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Thanks guys, bye.